Hi everyone, my name is Quineth, and today I will be talking about some of the discourse communities that I'm part of. So let's begin with what are discourse community? A discourse community. What is a discourse community? A discourse community is a group of people who share and work together to achieve a common goal or who share common ideas, who share ideas to bring changes to the society. So one of the discourse community that I'm part of is being an investor. In the investing community, our goal is to make money and make money without losing any percentage. That's our goal. So the mechanism that we use is we communicate through WhatsApp, we communicate through Facebook, we communicate through Twitter. So informations are passed out through WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter. Mind you, these are the places where you can actually talk to the coin creators. They will post something, you comment, they comment. It's like back and forth conversation. You they post something, they give information, and also you get feedback from the people who have the same ideas, who are trying to get the same information to themselves too. So it's like everyone work together, everyone talk together to make sure that everyone understands the game. So the genres that we use are Twitter and Telegram. Those are the places where people go crazy. It's like let's say it feels like you are even with the person with the people in real life because they are interacting with you without even thinking twice because all of you guys share the same goal. All of you guys share the same idea. All of you guys are thinking about the same thing, which is making money, how to how to how to how to do some things in how to do some things. So the lexes that we use are rug pull, shitcoins, maxes. So rug pull is like when you invest when you invest in a cryptocurrency and the coin developer removes all the money and it drops to $0. So that's a rug pull. And trust me, you don't want that to happen because it's gonna be really bad for you. So shitcoins is like is like when someone invests in other coins. It's like when we have like a shitcoin, it, the person invests in other coins besides Ethereum and Bitcoin. So every other one can skyrocket and then you lose a lot of money at the end of it. So the person don't believe in the other coins. The person doesn't believe in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So maxes is when thinks someone believes that one crypto when someone believes in one crypto and thinks every other crypto is a scam. So the ratio of people that have invested from 2018 to 2020 has actually skyrocketed. 88% is into investing because people have seen like after the pandemic, people were struggling even during the pandemic. So they saw like investing is another way of survival. So they all went into it. Controversies that we actually get is when to remove money because you have to be on it. Investing is just like a gambling game. You have to know when to do something. You have to know when to play the game. You have to know when to remove money and know when to put money. without losing um, a large amount of money. So the questions that we all get are expectation, risks, scammers. So people would say, what if I get hacked into what if someone hacks into my account? Or what if I invest and I lose all the money? What happens? How am I gonna recover? So those are the questions that we all get. So this is a chart of, you can see 2018 to 2020, it has like skyrocketed, like it's still going up because people are into investing. That's a way out without actually leaving your house or getting a job. So another discourse community that I'm part of is being a COD student. So our goal, so I want to be a nurse. So my our goal is to earn a degree, help the needs, and get money. So we before that before we earn our degrees, we all have to we all have to engage in some certain things, which is schooling. And when we school, things that help us to achieve our goals are talking to our friends through Snapchat, group me, emailing, and we get informations and feedbacks are passed on. Let's say, or you can say discussion or conversations between you, students, and professors, or between students and students are shared through PowerPoint, Blackboard, um, Blackboard posts, forum posts, emails. So the lexes that we use are COD, SRC, TC, and so forth. So the ratio has actually decreased. The ratio of people who have graduated from COD have actually decreased in 2021 because of this pandemic. The reason is because a lot of people couldn't continue their education due to money wise, due to family wise, due to their personal reasons. So controversies that we all get is work and school schedule. Let's say someone is schooling, since COD is a 2 year community college. Sorry, is a community college. Someone is schooling and working at the same time. The person will be focusing on work and school. So sometimes it can be very, very challenging to people because they can't take the stress. They can't do everything all at once. So the questions that we all get is getting your bachelor degree or results after you take a break. So getting a bachelor degree, let's say since TOD is a 2 year community college, people don't know that you can actually transfer, or you can actually get into 3+1 program whereby you earn your bachelor degree in COD. Another discourse community that I'm part of is being a church member. So our goal is to preach people about God. So we get those things done through either in-person communication, church website, announcements, group chat, flyers. We get those things done through those outlets. So the informations can be passed out through the church website, through Facebook, the genre which is with church website, Facebook, Instagram. The church have a lot of followers on Facebook, so they actually get a lot of people to involve, to engage in the comment section on Facebook. So that's a very good um place to reach out to people. So Lexus is CCS CK. So basically, CCS stands for Calvary Christian School. So the church has schools. So we actually say that. And then CK stands for the Calvary Knights, which is for which is for the logo, the school logo. So the ratio of the people that go to the church have actually increased because the church is a multicultural church. It has Indian section, Indian church section. It has Chinese church sections. People that if you can't speak English, they all have Spanish church sessions where they don't understand English, but they can speak the language. They all have their sessions. So they have actually like last time I went to church, the place was full. I was like, what is going on? Controversies that we get is who to go to. So for example, myself, I actually went with my family to a Nigerian church and something happened. So I was talking to someone, trying to let the person know how I feel and what I can do to help myself. And what the person was telling me was not aligning with what I was saying. So that made me to question, am I talking to the right person in this church? Am I talking to the wrong person? So they very people find it challenging when they go to a new church and they that can actually like affect people when they go to a new church and then they talk to someone that is not supposed to be talked to. So it can actually affect them either leaving the church or not be able to participate anymore. So questions that we get are volunteer, paying tithes. So basically, people will be like, "Do I need to volunteer? Do I need to come out every time they say we need to volunteer, being a church member?" The answer is no, you don't. As long as, let's say, if you have time to and you don't come out, you have your personal reasons not to. So you don't have to. No one is gonna force you. And paying tithes is basically people will be like, being a church member, do I have to pay tithes all the time? I mean, you know the answer. If paying tithes will actually help the church to help other people who are in need, of course you I'm sure you want to help. So in conclusion, in all of these things, they all have success and bright future in common. So and everyone wants to succeed. Everyone wants to live up to their dreams. Everyone wants to earn earn go to a certain level up in their life. So with with all this, we need to bring awareness to the issues regarding the church, which is paying tithes. That's the one that I have to do for my next research paper. All right, thank you. Hope you enjoy my presentation. And these are the sources that I have. Thank you. Bye.